Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if your device does not respond to your touches, the screen freezes and you have no idea what to do. So in order to soft reset it, you have to press the power button, which is located right here, and hold it until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it basically. Let me press this button and wait. As you can see, it is also connected with the Google Assistant. And here we've got the reboot option, but let's pretend we cannot tap on it because the screen doesn't work. And as you can see, we've got the black screen. We've got also the developer's logo. I felt a vibration, so I can release the finger. And right now, basically, we have to wait. Your device will start a restarting operation. And after turning it on, it should work perfectly normal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.